Today I will be reviewing the Oakley EVZero Path Harmony Fade Collection. Let's open up the box. These were originally released in 2018. They come with a microfiber carrying case, a hard shell case, and a extra nose piece. The lens is the Prism Ruby that has 17% light transmission. For bright light conditions, the contrast is increased and the base lens color is bronze. Let's take a closer look at the glasses. These glasses have a split frame. The color on the right side is a neon orange, and then the color on the left side is a neon green, which is super cool. The other thing I noticed was this etching around each eye, which is a little different. But over time, I think I'll get used to it. The prism etched in the bottom. I definitely recommend them. Very lightweight. Let's drive around and see how they feel and how they fit, and see how the lenses work out on a bright day. Here we got a little driving test with the glasses. They're pretty sweet. I really like the colors of them. The lenses are really dark. They transmit light very well. Even with the bright red or reddish orange lens, the lenses are very dark on the inside. But overall, I'm really happy with them. They're very lightweight, good for golfing or running. Very thin design, which is pretty sweet. And then overall, just a great purchase, I would say. And I love the colors of them. But let me know what y'all think. Let me know what other kinds of videos y'all would like to see. Got a couple pairs of shoes to review, a drone, some other stuff. But I really want to know what y'all think. But thanks for watching. Comment your favorite kind of Oakleys and what you think of these. But I'm on my way to make another video right now. So I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.